How to restart audio driver Windows 11. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I am here with a new video. So let's get started without wasting our time. So first you need to open settings. Here in the settings you need to go to system and scroll down till you find troubleshoot. Click on that and click on other troubleshooters. So here you need to click on the run button in audio settings. This will open a new window for you. It might take a little while to set up, so just wait. So here it will run audio troubleshooter for you, and it will show you some options. Here, do you have your consent to run automated diagnostic to try solving your audio problem? Click on yes. So after you click on yes, it will troubleshoot your audio device. This might take a while, okay? So just wait. So after that, they will play a beep in your PC. And they will ask you if you heard a beep during the scan. So if you heard it, click on yes. If you didn't, click on no. So in my case, I heard the beep and they will finish up the scan and the troubleshoot. So it will ask to scan again. So close the settings, and if that procedure didn't help you with the problem you're facing, there is another option too. What we need to do is right click on start and go to device manager. Here you need to search for sound, video and game controllers, and there you will see the audio devices connected in your laptop PC. And what you need to do is right click on these and disable the device. It will ask you if you really want to disable it. Click on yes, then again close it and re-enable the device. So if that didn't help, click on other audio devices which are in your PC and disable it and enable it again. After that, restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.